Welcome to our MySQL video series for beginners. In this series, we will introduce you to the fundamentals of MySQL. MySQL is a powerful database management system used by developers all over the world. Whether you're new to database management or looking to expand your knowledge, this series is designed to help you learn the basics of MySQL. We'll cover everything from installing MySQL to writing complex SQL queries. By the end of this series, you'll have a solid foundation in MySQL that you can use to build dynamic web applications, plus many more stuff. So let's get started. What you're going to do is install MySQL. Open any browser of your choice. I'm going to use Google Chrome and search for MySQL. I'm going to install the community server, though I prefer using an installer. After downloading, double click the setup, download. I'm going to go with developer defaults. Click next. Finally, click execute. Once installation is done, click next. So I'm going to configure the server. That is MySQL Server. Click next. Configurations are for development. The port is okay. I'll go with legacy. So let me just confirm the current root password. That's okay. Click next. Everything looks good, so I'll just apply those configurations. And click finish. Let me connect to the server. Connection is good. Let's apply the configurations. And we are good. Let me copy that log to the clipboard for future reference. Otherwise, we're done here. Let's run our first SQL code just to find out if everything is okay. So I'll do MySQL. I'll have to log in first of all. Wow, that's great. So how many databases am I having in this laptop so far? I know definitely I'm having some sample databases. So that's the syntax. Show databases. I have around six databases. I don't know which ones are they. Sakila. Okay, so we are going to create a lot of databases. Stick around for my next video where I'll show you how to create databases, how to add tables, and how to add data into those databases.
If you like this video, kindly consider subscribing for more videos like this. Thank you, Mr. Brooks.